How's it going, everybody? Big day today. Today we are doing a lechon, which is a whole pig cooked over the fire, spit roasted open over a fire. Adong, who is a man of many trades, is going to show me how it's done, start to finish, from killing the pig all the way to eating it. So, yeah, pretty excited. It's going to be delicious, and I'm excited to see how this all gets done. All right, Dong just killed the pig. It was so fast, I almost missed it on the camera. Now we got it in a burlap sack, carrying it back to the house where we're gonna prep the lechon and prep the pig and start cooking. Pig is skinned, gutted, prepped for the fire. We've saved the innards for other food and dishes that we're going to make tonight. Nothing goes to waste here, folks, and that's a beautiful thing. Good. Salt, chicken stock or chicken bouillon, bay leaf, some chili, ginger, garlic. And he starts to stuff all the pockets. That is delicious. Pig is almost done. Bunch of lemongrass, bunch of spices stuffed in there, sewing it back up. Dong built the fire. We got it under a roof here right on the beach. He's on a constant roll. It's constantly spinning. I guess like trying to make it like a golden brown marshmallow. The house is rocking. Jen and the gang is cooking up a feast, and the boys are out here just cruising, just like anywhere else in the world, cruising by the barbecue, just drinking beers and shooting the shit. Hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready for the lechon? All right, it's been about 2.5 hours. Pig is looking beautiful, and we're ready to eat it up. Let's do it, boys. Yeah. You hear that? That's the skin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bam, 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 bam. Oh my god, it's so good. Of course.